Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that so many of us struggle with: confidence. Not just any confidence, but that unshakable, fearless kind that lets you walk into any room and own it. Sound good? Let's get started. So, what is confidence really? It's not about being the loudest person or never feeling scared. True confidence is an internal belief in yourself. It's knowing your worth, trusting your abilities, and understanding that you can handle whatever life throws at you. The best part? It's not something you're born with. It's a skill you can build, starting right now. The first step is a major mindset shift. Many of us are trapped in a cycle of negative self-talk. You know the voice in your head that says, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough"? It's time to fire that inner critic. Seriously. Whenever you catch yourself thinking something negative, I want you to stop and challenge it. Is it really true? Or is it just an old, unhelpful story you've been telling yourself? Replace that thought with a positive, or at least a neutral one. Instead of "I'm going to mess this up," try "I'm going to do my best and that's enough." This isn't about lying to yourself. It's about giving yourself the same kindness and encouragement you'd give to a friend. Next up, let's talk about the power of small wins. Confidence isn't built overnight by achieving one massive goal. It's built brick by brick through a series of small, consistent accomplishments. So, set tiny, achievable goals for yourself every single day. Maybe it's making your bed in the morning, speaking up once in a meeting, going for a 10-minute walk, or learning one new word in a different language. When you achieve that goal, take a moment to acknowledge it. Pat yourself on the back. These small victories prove to your brain that you are capable and effective, and that feeling will start to snowball. Another game changer is to stop comparing yourself to others. Social media makes this incredibly hard, I know. We're constantly bombarded with curated highlight reels of other people's lives. But remember, you're comparing your behind-the-scenes footage to their movie trailer. It's not a fair fight, and it will always leave you feeling like you're not enough. Instead, focus on your own journey, your own progress. The only person you should be comparing yourself to is the person you were yesterday. Are you a little bit better, a little bit stronger, a little bit wiser today? If so, you're winning. Now for a practical tip: body language. Did you know that the way you hold your body can actually change the way you feel? This is called power posing. Before a stressful event, like a presentation or a job interview, find a private space and stand like a superhero for 2 minutes. Shoulders back, chin up, chest out, hands on your hips. It might feel silly, but studies show this can actually decrease your stress hormone, cortisol, and increase your testosterone, which is linked to confidence. Stand tall, make eye contact, and offer a firm handshake. Your body will send a signal to your brain that says, "Hey, I'm confident," and your brain will start to believe it. Finally, embrace failure. Yes, you heard me. Fear of failure is one of the biggest killers of confidence. We're so scared of messing up that we often don't even try. But here's the secret. Confident people aren't the ones who never fail. They're the ones who aren't afraid to fail. They understand that failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a part of it. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. It's data that tells you what doesn't work so you can get closer to what does. So give yourself permission to be imperfect. Try that new thing, take that risk. If you fall, pick yourself up, learn the lesson, and try again, but smarter this time. Building fearless confidence is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes practice, patience, and a whole lot of self-compassion. Start with these steps. Challenge your negative self-talk, celebrate your small wins, stop the comparison game, use your body language, and reframe your relationship with failure. You have everything you need to become the most confident version of yourself. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content just like this. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. See you in the next video.